Hey there, ever wanted to know how to replace a control board in your Alvarado Full Height Turnstile? Today, we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Alvarado Full Height video, please click the link in the description. Today we're going to be changing an Alvarado Full Height control board. As always, our first step should be to turn power off to our Alvarado Full Height. Label and unhook all of the wires from the existing control board. Next, you'll remove the 4 nuts holding the board in place.
These nuts?
Remove the old board from the 4 studs. And install the new one, being mindful of the dip switches and the jumper. We will now reconnect our wires. If you have any questions about wiring your Alvarado Full Height, please check out the video link here. Last thing we need to do is power on the unit and test for proper operation. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys. See you next time.